The GL300 is the most popular tracker on the market. With its lightweight and slim design, it is not only portable but also extremely versatile. Spytech customers across many industries such as construction, repair and maintenance services, recreation rentals, and many more use the GL300 to track valuable assets and protect their business investments. Paired with Spytech GPS software, the GL300 is the easy-to-use small business tracker every company needs to protect their growing business, maximize business efficiencies, and gain complete peace of mind. The GL300's versatility means that it can protect costly equipment on a job site one day, monitor a driver's route the next, and track the movement of a shipment or delivery the following. The GL300 is portable and discreet, but this small device is also dependable in harsh weather conditions and is dust and water resistant. No information is physically stored on the device, so privacy is always protected, but historical data is securely available on the Spytech platform for up to a year. The GL300 couldn't be easier to install. In fact, you can simply drop it into a glove compartment or attach it to a vehicle with a Spytech magnetic case. With up to 2 weeks of battery life, the GL300 allows you to go about your business without constant maintenance. Being on a reliable 4G cellular network, you experience real-time tracking and see where your assets are located without lag or delay. The Spytech platform gives you instant access to data such as pinpoint-accurate location information, travel speeds, addresses visited, and distances traveled. Create custom or pre-shaped boundaries for precise geofencing. Easily set up trip history reports, push alerts, and arrival departure notifications, along with easy location sharing and user permissions. Tracking with Spytech allows small businesses to make informed business decisions, control the flow of assets and people, and gain clear visibility into their operations. Spytech GPS is designed for small businesses. We provide you the most valuable tracking technology at your fingertips at the most affordable price. And our US-based customer care teams are here to assist you 24/7. Every customer gets ongoing software updates as part of their subscription. With Spytech, you can focus on your business and let us keep tabs of your valuable business assets.